people, it's your girl Sharon. Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by today's title, I will be installing a wig, and this wig is for like my birthday, because you know my birthday's coming up on Friday. Anyway, so yeah, it's my third time installing a wig, so let's see how I do and let's get straight into the video. So y'all, here's the stuff I have that's laid out. I have the wig right here, and then I have the wig cap, flat iron, the razor, small scissors, another big scissors, the Ebin adhesive spray. I have a thing to lay it down. I have a heat comb, a hot comb, some brushes, makeup brushes to add the makeup onto it, concealer, foundation, wax stick, and most importantly the glue. So yeah.
Okay, y'all, so what I first started with is applying the wig cap on and just, trying to fit it onto my head and make sure that it's covering my ears so that I could also cut holes so that the wig cap could just lay better on my scalp. Y'all may notice that I was looking down, and that's because I was recording a video for TikTok, which y'all could follow me on.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing out?
Okay, y'all, so now that I'm done cutting out the air holes, I take the Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray and I just spray that around my hairline. And also, I did about 2 coats of this spray.
Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga samples in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Trizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not.
So now, y'all, I'm taking my blow dryer and I'm just blow drying it and just making sure that it's dry, because if it's wet, then your wig cap is going to end up slipping or just not staying in place. So yeah. So now you're gonna want to cut the wig cap, and make sure you be careful on this part because you don't want to mess up and end up cutting off too much. But yeah, you're just gonna cut alongside your hairline, and yeah, just keep watching.
Like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't let them get it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not play that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta,
So y'all, I did notice when I was cutting it off, like the end parts were still not like laying down. So I did go again in with the Eben spray. Then I go in with rubbing alcohol, removing any residue that was left from the spray, and also oil.
her wig, she telling me Tay is the best. Point at that nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You feel me? You gon' get straight.
So y'all, next thing I'm doing is taking my foundation color and applying it to the wig cap so it could blend and give it that scalp effect.
Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drakes. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they don't.
So this is how it looks when I apply all the foundation to the wig cap. So now y'all, I take the Ghost Bond Classic Glue and apply that alongside my hairline. And I did about 3 coats of that so that my wig could stay down.
Face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad what they had.
So now y'all, I'm taking my rat tooth comb and I'm just spreading the glue around, just making sure that's laid and is flat.
It didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
So now I'm taking my blow dryer again and making sure that it's dry because you do not want to see no white residue off from the glue. So once the glue is completely dry, not completely but quite dry, then you can apply your wig and make sure that you measure it good and lay it down correctly.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby.
So now that you're done positioning the wig how you like it, you'll cut the air tabs so that you'll be able to tuck your hair right behind your ear.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Got that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. Party still beating, my niggas still eating. Backyard it look like the garden eating. Pillow talk with him, spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
So now I'm spraying more of the even spray onto the lace so that it could lay down, and don't get it too close to the hair or it could end up being very stiff.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Now you'll want to take your elastic band so you could hold down the hair so it could stay in place, and also that your lace will melt. So y'all, now it's time to cut the lace. So I recommend when you cutting your lace to cut it in 3 sections so it could be much easier for you to cut it off. So y'all, I noticed when I took off the elastic band, wig kind of looked like the hairline kind of looked weird and uncentered, but it's fine though because we're gonna fix that and get it looking right. Now I'm going in with some concealer alongside the hairline where the lace, a little bit of lace is showing, just to blend it in with the scalp and my forehead just so it could make it look natural and good. So to make your hair look sleek, what you would want to do is take some of a wax stick. So I have the She Is Bomb hair wax stick. Place that onto the hair and then go in with a hot comb, and that should really like slick it down and lay it down. So now y'all, I'm picking out my edges, the placement of edges I want. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in a type of diagonal shape, which y'all will see, I believe. And then I'm gonna curl it with a you could curl it with like a flat iron thing, but it could be small, short, whatever. And then I would lay it down with some got to be glue gel, and then also mousse, hair mousse. So yeah.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.
So after cutting the edges, I go in with got to be glue gel and then hair mousse.
Don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time.
Another important thing you want to do is once you're done with doing your edges, you want to lay it down with an elastic band so it could hold.
Finished doing it and it looks so cute. Probably gotta touch up it a little bit. I'm not kind of fully done with it. Maybe might curl it or something, but yeah, this is how it's looking. It's looking so good. Okay y'all, so that's the end of the video. I finished curling it actually, and this is how it turned out. Turned out so cute. And I did my edges. See, yeah, get into it. But yeah y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe and turn on your post notifications for any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.